birthday.
Happy birthday, miss.
Thank you.
See you too.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
Hello, madam. I see your name of the reservation. It's
Madame Pissol.
Can I help you?
Preview.
And then you have the 1913, which is our main restaurant, only open for the night, so for the dinner. You find the floor, it's original from 100 years old. Yeah. So the breakfast is served between 7 and 10:30 every day. And it's a really, really amazing breakfast you will see. You have 4 cooking stations with 2 chefs per station. And here, as it is the ballroom, it's the place where people used to dance. Downstairs, so -1. So you'll find the spa. So from 9 to 7 for the spa.
Yeah.
Then the fitness is 24/7. And inside the fitness, you'll find the access to the swimming pool. It's outside, but it's heated, 30 degrees, so it's okay. And it's from 9 to 9. Also in the room, you won't find any mini bars. Instead, you have a room called Origins Bar. It's just at the end of the corridor on the left. And in Origins Bar, you can go there and help yourself with non-alcoholic beverage, coffee, tea, and it's completely free. Yeah, it's free. You have a lot of sodas, coffee, tea. Everything you need is there in the Origins Bar. You can go and help yourself.
Okay.
So 2 to 7.
227.
I left one key here for your electricity.
Yeah.
And welcome. Do you like the room?
Yeah.
Yes?
I like it
You
so
also
much.
have a little present.
Oh.
It's there.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, miss.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup, Chelsea.
And I give you a key. You have the Wi-Fi password just there.
Yeah.
And the QR code is for all the media.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy your stay with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Yoo-hoo. chocolate cake.
Cheers. 저거 뒤로 하니? Thank you so much.
Yes. Today.
Lah, let's drink a coffee.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you again. Bye. Thank you very much. Appreciate. Good name.